German engines can either be your most reliable companion or your most expensive nightmare. These 7 power plants will show you exactly which ones to trust and which ones to avoid. Let's get straight into it, starting with the 3 worst German engines of all time. Number 3. Audi/VW 3.0-liter V6 TDI early generations. The early generation Audi/VW 3.0-liter V6 TDI, found in various models from 2004 to 2012, represents one of the most catastrophic design failures in German diesel history. This engine suffers from timing chain failure that requires complete engine and transmission removal, creating repair bills that often exceed the vehicle's value. The fatal flaw lies in the timing chain's location at the back of the engine against the firewall, meaning the entire powertrain must be removed to access the timing components. When the timing chain tensioners fail or the chain stretches, the repair requires a complete motor-out procedure that costs $6,000 to $10,000 in labor alone before parts are even considered. According to Consumer Reports data and VW/Audi forums like Audi World, the timing chain failure typically occurs between 80,000 to 120,000 miles and affects nearly 40% of early 3.0 TDI engines. The repair is so expensive that most vehicles are considered total losses when the timing chain fails, making this engine a financial death sentence for owners. The worst years are 2004 to 2009, when the original problematic timing chain design was used. Later versions received some updates, but the fundamental design flaw remains. This engine is found in expensive luxury vehicles, where the repair costs often exceed the depreciated value, making affected vehicles essentially worthless when the inevitable failure occurs. Smart buyers avoid any Audi or VW with the early 3.0 TDI engine, understanding that this represents one of German engineering's most expensive mistakes. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz M272/M273. The Mercedes-Benz M272 V6 and M273 V8 engines, found in various models from 2004 to 2011, represent Mercedes' biggest engineering disaster through the infamous balance shaft gear failure that destroys entire engines without warning. These engines combine German complexity with catastrophic design flaws that create financial nightmares. The M272 and M273 use soft metal balance shaft gears that wear down over time, eventually losing teeth and throwing off engine timing. When these gears fail, they send metal fragments throughout the engine, destroying timing chains, damaging cylinder heads, and contaminating the entire lubrication system. The failure typically occurs between 80,000 to 120,000 miles and requires complete engine replacement. According to MB World forums and Mercedes service data, over 60% of M272 engines and 70% of M273 engines will experience balance shaft failure if not addressed proactively. The repair costs are astronomical. Complete engine replacement ranges from $12,000 to $20,000, often exceeding the vehicle's value. Warning signs include metallic rattling on startup and metal particles in the oil. The worst years are 2004 to 2008, when the original soft balance shaft gears were used. Mercedes eventually redesigned the components, but existing engines remain ticking time bombs. These engines are found in expensive luxury vehicles, where engine replacement costs make the cars worthless when failure occurs. Smart buyers avoid any Mercedes with M272 or M273 engines unless extensive documentation proves the balance shaft components have been replaced with updated versions. Number 1. BMW N63/N64. Early generations. The BMW N63 and N64 twin-turbo V8 engines found in various models from 2008 to 2016 take the top spot as the worst German engines ever produced. This Hot V design represents a perfect storm of catastrophic reliability issues, expensive repairs, and design flaws that led to class action lawsuits and destroyed BMW's V8 reputation. The N63's fatal flaw is its Hot V design, where twin turbos sit inside the V of the engine, creating immense heat buildup that destroys surrounding components. This causes premature failure of valve stem seals, resulting in massive oil consumption, often exceeding 1 quart every 500 miles. The turbocharger oil line seals fail frequently from heat, while timing chain stretch occurs due to inadequate lubrication from oil consumption. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BMW forum documentation, N63 engines suffer from multiple simultaneous failures that create repair bills exceeding $15,000. BMW issued a customer care package acknowledging the issues, but repairs remain frequent and costly. The valve stem seal replacement requires complete engine removal and costs $8,000 to $12,000, while timing chain repairs add another $4,000 to $6,000. The worst years are 2008 to 2013, when the most problematic N63 variants were used. Even BMW's acknowledgement of the problems through extended warranties couldn't save this engine's reputation. The N63 is found in expensive luxury vehicles, where repair costs often exceed the vehicle's value, making ownership a constant financial nightmare. Smart buyers avoid any BMW with the N63 engine, regardless of updates or warranties, understanding that this represents German engineering at its absolute worst. Now for the 4 best German engines of all time. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz M103/M104. The Mercedes-Benz M103 and M104 inline-6 engines, found in W124 and W201 models from the 1980s and 1990s, represent the gold standard of German reliability and the epitome of Mercedes' legendary build quality. These engines embody everything that made Mercedes famous for durability and longevity. The M103 SOHC and later M104 DOHC engines feature over-engineered simplicity with robust construction that allows them to easily exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The M104 added sophisticated features like variable valve timing, without sacrificing the bulletproof reliability that made Mercedes legendary. These engines are famous for running virtually forever when properly maintained. According to long-term reliability studies and Mercedes enthusiast forums, M103 and M104 engines routinely reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles while remaining reliable daily drivers. The robust construction includes forged internals, excellent metallurgy, and generous engineering margins that allow these engines to handle decades of use without major problems. These engines appeal to buyers who want proven German reliability without modern complexity, classic car enthusiasts who appreciate legendary build quality, and anyone seeking maximum longevity from their vehicle. The M103 and M104 represent Mercedes engineering when the company prioritized durability above all else, creating engines that defined what German quality should mean. Smart buyers seek out vehicles with these engines for the ultimate in reliable luxury transportation that appreciates in value rather than depreciates. Number 3. BMW M30. The BMW M30 inline-6 engine produced from 1968 to 1994 represents the original and longest-running BMW straight six that established the foundation for BMW's legendary inline-6 heritage. This engine earned the nickname Motor Block among enthusiasts for its virtually indestructible nature and incredible longevity. The M30's incredible structural rigidity and simple SOHC design with chain-driven valve train created an engine that could handle massive mileage and later, high levels of turbocharging for performance applications. The simple architecture allowed it to be easily serviced and modified while maintaining exceptional reliability that modern BMW engines struggle to match. According to BMW forums and classic car specialists, M30 engines commonly exceed 400,000 miles with basic maintenance and are considered among the most durable engines ever produced. The robust iron block construction and conservative engineering created an engine that actually improves with age and high mileage use, making high mileage examples often more desirable than low mileage ones. This engine appeals to BMW enthusiasts who want the ultimate in reliability, classic car collectors who appreciate legendary engineering, and anyone seeking proven durability that modern engines can't match. The M30 established BMW's reputation for building exceptional inline-six engines and proves that German engineering can create power plants that last forever. Smart buyers specifically seek out M30-powered BMWs for the most reliable BMW ownership experience possible, understanding that this engine represents BMW engineering at its finest. Number 2. VW/Audi 1.9-liter TDI. The VW/Audi 1.9-liter TDI engines with ALH, BEW, and BHW codes from the late 1990s to mid-2000s represent the ultimate mass-market workhorse and arguably the most reliable German engine ever mass-produced. This diesel power plant combines legendary fuel economy with bulletproof reliability that modern engines can't match. The 1.9 TDI's simple direct injection design, durable iron block construction, and mechanical fuel pumps in early versions created an engine that's easy to repair and incredibly robust. Known for legendary fuel economy often exceeding 45 miles per gallon, this engine also became extremely popular with tuners for its ability to handle significant power increases while maintaining reliability. According to Consumer Reports data and TDI enthusiast forums, 1.9 TDI engines routinely exceed 400,000 miles, with basic maintenance consisting of regular oil changes and timing belt replacement every 100,000 miles. The simple design makes these engines easily serviceable by any competent mechanic, while parts remain readily available and affordable. This engine appeals to high-mileage commuters seeking maximum fuel economy, budget-conscious buyers who want reliable transportation, and tuning enthusiasts who appreciate the engine's modification potential. The 1.9 TDI proves that German engineering can create simple, reliable, and efficient power plants when priorities focus on durability rather than complexity. Smart buyers specifically seek out 1.9 TDI-powered vehicles for the most economical and reliable German car ownership experience available. Number 1. Porsche Mezger engine. The Porsche Mezger engine, named after its designer Hans Mezger, takes the top spot as the best German engine ever created. Found in 996 GT3, 997 GT3, and GT2 models, this flat 6 represents a direct evolution of Porsche's 911 GT1 Le Mans race engine and the definitive German performance power plant. The Mezger engine features dry sump lubrication that eliminates oil starvation risks and completely separate crankcase and cylinder heads that create exceptional durability. Unlike the problematic standard Porsche M96 engine of the era, the Mezger is an absolute rock of performance engineering that can handle extreme track use while providing incredible longevity. According to Porsche forums and racing specialists, Mezger engines routinely handle track abuse and high mileage with proper maintenance, often exceeding 200,000 miles while maintaining peak performance. The race-derived design includes forged internals, exceptional metallurgy, and engineering that prioritizes performance and durability over cost considerations. This engine appeals to serious driving enthusiasts who want the ultimate performance engine, Porsche collectors who appreciate legendary engineering, and track day enthusiasts who need bulletproof reliability under extreme conditions. The Mezger engine represents the pinnacle of German performance engineering, combining race-proven technology with street car reliability. Smart buyers consider Mezger-powered Porsches as the ultimate expression of German engineering excellence, understanding that this engine delivers both incredible performance and legendary reliability that justifies its premium positioning in the market. These 7 German engines represent the extreme ends of the engineering spectrum, proving that German doesn't automatically mean reliable or unreliable. The worst engines demonstrate what happens when German manufacturers prioritize cost-cutting and complexity over proven engineering principles, creating power plants that destroy brand reputations and owner bank accounts. The best engines show that German engineering can create legendary power plants when manufacturers focus on durability, simplicity, and engineering integrity over marketing demands and quarterly profits. The most important lesson is that German engine reliability varies dramatically by manufacturer, generation, and specific design priorities, making research essential before purchasing any German vehicle. Smart buyers choose engines from the best list and avoid the problematic power plants entirely, understanding that the right German engine can provide decades of reliable service, while the wrong one can create financial disasters that make ownership impossible. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.